Hey, what's up guys, it's Malik here for Tech. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my Galaxy Z Fold 3's top 5 tips and tricks. So I'm going to share with you my tips and tricks which I found to be useful on the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Let me show in this video for you. Stay tuned and continue watching. Now with multi-mode, you can turn your Z Fold 3 into a so-called multitasker beast. How to do that? Let me share with you the so-called multi-screen feature by Z Fold 3, Samsung's One UI 3.1 version feature. So just simply scroll on the right side and you will be bringing to the edge panel, and then click your favorite apps that you would like to view on the Z Fold 3 just by press and hold and drag it here. And I'm going to do for a few other applications like YouTube and my calendar. So there you go, we have enabled the multi-screen mode by having 3 screens on Z Fold 3 screen. So now you can actually favorite your screens into one common applications. How to do that? Just click on the middle 3 button here, and then you will be greeted with these 2 icons, and then just pin it. So this will pin to your edge panel on the bottom right. Next time you do not need to drag and drop the application individually. Instead, just drag and drop the folder that have been created for you. Apart from that, you can rotate the screen to your favorite needs. Cool, isn't it? Make apps to full screen. Some apps are still not configured to match the screen ratio of the full screen. Not to worry, we can set such apps to have full screen enabled via labs. Let me show you how to do it in this video. For example, Instagram's native aspect ratio is 16:9. So let's launch Instagram and show you what I meant. So you can see here Instagram by default opens on the 16:9 screen ratio. So it doesn't fully utilize the Z Fold screen ratio exactly. So to enable full screen on Instagram is very simple, not to worry. Let me close the Instagram right now and then go to the settings. Scroll down to the advanced features, and on the right you should see the labs, and you will be greeted with a customized app aspect ratios. Just click on it, and here you will be so-called greeted with all the applications that you have installed on your Galaxy Z Fold 3. So let's search for Instagram. So you can see here by default the screen ratio for Instagram is app default 16:9 ratio. I'm going to select full screen. Make sure it is full screen before you exit from this customization page. I'm going to open Instagram to verify whether it does the job. There you go, successfully launch the Instagram as a full screen app. One of my all-time favorite feature of the Galaxy series is the wireless power sharing. Yes guys, this might sound a bit outdated, but on Galaxy Z Fold 3 this is very important, especially you are carrying a so-called a heavy phone. You might need a so-called a wireless headset like Galaxy Buds 2. So it's very important for myself to have a wireless power sharing just in case my wireless Buds 2 gets low. So let me show you how to actually enable the wireless charging on your Galaxy Z Fold 3. So go to the menu on top and then just simply drop down, and you have this wireless power charging feature, and just click on it and it will come up with a so-called showing you that wireless power sharing is enabled. and ready to charge. Put your phone back to back with another device. Align the other device with your phone's battery as shown above. If you have trouble connecting or charging is slow, remove any cover from each device. So that's how it works, guys. Let me do the sharing of power from the Galaxy Z Fold 3 to parts 2. And there you go, you can see it's being charged right now. The Buds 2 is charging. Interesting feature of the Galaxy Z Fold 3 that I like is the flex mode. What do I mean by flex mode? So let's say I watch the Google YouTube.
Hey, what's up guys? It's Malik here for Tech.
So I'm going to flex the Galaxy Z Fold 3 into 2, and it will flex and reorient the screen by this way. So it will let me watch in another screen by folding the phone into half, and I can continue to see other video on the bottom, or watch or comment below. So that's what I meant by flex mode. Cool, isn't it? So another interesting feature of flex mode is to utilize the camera function. So let me launch the camera function, launch the app, and then flex it to enable the dual screen mode, which is called the flex mode. It shows the controller, you can take picture and everything. So that's what I meant by flex mode. With S Pen you can do more on your Z Fold 3. So my favorite is of course the handwriting feature. So I would like to use handwriting feature when I'm doing search on the Google or Chrome and so on. So how do I enable the handwriting feature on the keyboard itself? Let me show you. It's quite straightforward. On the right side of the edge panel, I open up my Chrome and I'll do a search right now. You will be greeted by the keyboard. So sometimes I do not want to type on the keyboard itself because of the big screen estate. I rather use the S Pen. How do I enable the handwriting feature? Just on the right side of the keyboard, 3 dot, and you'll be greeted with the handwriting feature here, and then you can just write what you want to search. So I'm going to search for Samsung, and then go. So you can see here it inputs my handwriting and does the search. So this might be a so-called feature that is not new, but this is a very important feature for me. So okay guys, I've come to the end of the video on my most favorite tips and tricks on Z Fold 3. So what is yours? Share in the comment section and let me know. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and share it out with your friends and family members who might be interested in getting the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Catch you in my next video. Bye.